Okay, I got my construction light on. You'll just have to, you'll get it. Okay, and so now I've got to reset the smoke alarm, and because I had it turned off, remember I said all you got to do is press a button. I'm going to press this button up here and let go. See, the other ones in the other rooms went off. I could hear those, and at the last it chirped. It went up. And so now I know my smoke alarms are reset. Every time you shut your power off to a smoke alarm, you've got it. When you turn the power back on, you have to press that reset button. Okay? That's if you're getting ready to replace your smoke alarms, or if for some reason this I did not have to replace the smoke alarm. Remember, I used that as a junction box for the ceiling fan, for the power. Then I had to rehook up the ceiling or the smoke alarm. And after I turned it on, I didn't reset it because I wanted to turn the breaker back off until I got done hooking up all the wiring and everything for the ceiling fan. Then you got to remember to reset your smoke alarms, okay? Mission accomplished. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and I hope you liked that video series of me installing the ceiling fan. It took a while to do, and if you're just a DIY beginner, I think you still can do it if you watch my videos and follow them step by step. If I can do it, an average Joe, I'm sure you can do it too. Okay? See you next time.